Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the protection feature on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to open up our settings application on our Android mobile phone and we need to go to the protection feature. Usually this feature is in the privacy and security setting. Okay, this one. We need to open up the security and privacy and go to the more security settings to get theft protection feature. Okay, or actually you can simply go to your search menu and then you can type in theft protection. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to show you the theft protection feature on Android mobile phone. Here we'll have some options guys. We'll have theft detection lock, offline device lock, remote lock, and find and erase our device. And I'm going to show you one by one. And the first one is theft detection lock. I'm going to tap on this feature to show you how this feature works on your Android mobile phone. And you can read the information right here about this feature. If theft detection lock detects your device was taken from you, your device's screen will lock automatically to prevent anyone from accessing your personal data. Okay, and keep in mind you must be actively using your device while it's unlocked. And I'm going to activate it. Okay, and the second one is offline device lock. Okay, and it will work offline without Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection, but you need to be actively using your device while it's unlocked. Okay, I'm going to turn on, and then this one is for the remote lock. So you will be able to lock your Android mobile phone remotely. You just need to visit android.com/log to lock your phone to protect your Android mobile phone to be accessed by the theft. Okay, and then I'm going to activate it as well. All right, and the last one is find and erase your device. Okay, you will be able to erase your data remotely guys, so they cannot access your data on your Android mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable theft protection feature on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.